Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously. In this video we're going to be looking at 5 Galaxy S10e, S10, S10 Plus tips and tricks. So let's jump straight into it. The number one is how to set your phone to dark mode. So all you have to do is go to your settings, scroll to your settings, go to your display and click on night mode. Now this will also help you preserve your battery. In number 2 we have remapping your Bixby button. Now this Bixby button, most of us probably don't use Bixby, so we tend also to mistakenly click on the Bixby button. You can either remap it or just turn it off. Now the way you go about this is you click on the Bixby button. You'd have to set it up first. You click on the Bixby button, you click on the 3 dots up there, you go to your settings, you scroll all the way down, you click on your Bixby key right there, and then you enable double press to open Bixby, and you can actually set it to open any applications you want. I have it set to open my Google app, so whenever I click on the button it would actually open my Google app. Let's just try it out. Now you'll not completely enable the Bixby software, but if you press once it would actually open your Google app, but if you press twice it goes to your Bixby, so Bixby is still going to be there. So next you can actually use a wallpaper to actually hide your camera bump or your camera cutout there. Now I have downloaded a couple of wallpapers already. I'm gonna have the link down in the description. These I got from the TLD guys. They are also a bunch of good YouTubers, and the way you go about it is obviously you download the wallpapers, you put it on your phone, then you go to wallpapers right there, you select your gallery, you scroll down where your wallpapers are, and then you just switch the wallpaper, or you apply the wallpaper, set wallpaper, and your camera cutout is basically gone. Next is a really good application also that I found on the internet. What you can do is use the ring around the camera. Because this is an LED panel, you can actually do that. You use the ring around the camera cutout to show your battery percentage. Now the name of the application is Energy Ring right there. You click on the application. After you've downloaded, obviously, you click on services and you go to install services, Energy Ring, and you activate it. Okay. So all this does is actually put a battery percentage ring around your camera, which can also come in handy, and you have other settings there such as the thickness of the ring itself and others if you just scroll down. Now last but not least is Instagram mode. Now this device has come with the ability to post into Instagram built in directly into the camera. So if you go to the camera and you scroll right on the left, you will see Instagram, and you can just snap a picture right from there and post it directly into Instagram. Go share and done. It's now on your Instagram. Now thank you guys so much for watching this quick video. If you like the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and make sure also you subscribe to the channel. Otherwise I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video.